guys, welcome to The Corner, where we talk about anime, manga, and everything in between. And today we are actually talking about Kano, Oto, Tomare, or Sounds of Life is what it's actually called. It's actually a type of slice of life anime that is actually really good. Now, you wouldn't expect it from something that's from playing the Koto and stuff like that and people doing that stuff, but for some odd reason, once you start watching it, it's actually something that gets you interested from episode 1. It's not like that interested where, hey, whatever, like you just want to watch it. It's more like excited every episode. It's more like, that's actually not kind of interesting. I'm actually going to keep watching just to watch it, something. It's one of those feel-good animes that when it really comes down to it. But at the beginning, it is more subjective to the person, depending on who it is, if you actually want to be really involved in this anime or not. Now, once you get to about the end of season 1 is when it really hits hard. It really hits home, and it just starts giving you goosebumps throughout the last part of that season 1. The last part of season 1 was dubbed. It's completely dubbed, so season 1 is dubbed. Season 2 is going to be dubbed here a bit on Hulu as well, but I ended up watching it subbed instead. So I went through that process. Anyway, so I went from season 1 at the end. I have goosebumps through the last 4 or 5 episodes of that, and then going into season 2 with the same amount of goosebumps again. Now, this is not to say that it was like that through the whole anime, though. It was just like that for the end of season 1, beginning of season 2. They hit hard. They were making it feel more really motivational when it really came down to that split between both those seasons. Now, once you got into the rest of the season 2, there was a little bit of a disconnect when it really came down to it, and it's because they were trying hard to do the same thing that they did with season 1 and the end of season 1 and beginning of season 2 by the end of season 2, but it just didn't come off the same because they were trying to explain characters' backstories that really didn't really matter, making characters seem more interesting than they actually were, and it just kind of made it seem more irritating to go through 4 episodes of backstory over just continuing on with what was going on. Yeah, I get it, there's some things going on with these people in the background, and that's why they are playing the Kodo, and this is why everything ends up happening. But it wasn't really necessary to see the whole background and to be explained exactly what ends up happening. It was a little bit of a letdown by the end of season 2, but as you went through the whole situation and got to the end of the anime, you still got that feel-good feeling by the end of the second season, and it was only because of what happens with the main characters at the end, and how everything really comes together, and what's really makes it feel good. Now, the kodo is a instrument from Japan that people end up liking to play. They say it's the sound of dragons. It's something fairly interesting, like the background story of the whole kodo explanation, everything like that, and learning just about the kodo was more thrilling than I thought was going to be. Like, they actually put it in a good light, and I really did enjoy that. I enjoy animes that kind of teach me something while still being entertained at the same point in time. There's a lot of things that were going on with this whole anime that really made me feel good about it, but made me want to keep watching, that made me want to keep going. It was one of those animes that you were more of a, hey, you're my enemy, now you're my friend, let's do good together. And honestly, in this time right now and everything that's going on, it's one of those animes you should honestly watch, just because of the fact that it will keep you moving forward, keep you motivated, keep you in a good spirit. So I would recommend this anime to anybody that really wants to watch it, and I think it's going to be one of those underrated animes in the end, just because of how it's set out and how it's laid out, and because it is a slice of life anime in the end. So if you guys get a chance to watch it, I guarantee you will enjoy it. If you do not enjoy it and you don't enjoy the slice of life things, then it's obviously not for you. But I can guarantee that there's going to be points, if you actually give the anime a chance, that you're going to have goosebumps and you're just going to feel good about it, about yourself in the end for some reason. It's just one of those things. That even the music itself and the choices of what they chose to do with the coda music was just great. It was awesome. I enjoyed every last bit of it. Anyways, you guys, this is actually my first video since I've been back that I'm actually been making, so I'm hoping you guys have enjoyed the review I had just given for this anime. If you have, make sure you press that like button down below. It really helps me understand what content you guys like to see me review, what content you don't like me to see me review, and I'm not going to guarantee this is going to be the best edited version of my videos, but I'm going to try to get back into the swing of things when it comes to editing again. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed it, like I said, button down below, like it, let me know. If you guys want to continue to stay notified, make sure you press that subscribe button, and if you guys want, make sure you hit that bell button alongside that, so every time I post a video or go live, which I have been doing on a daily basis, you guys can get notified every single time I do. Recently, I have been doing Pokemon Let's Plays at the moment, technically, quote unquote. It's more like common logs and stuff like that, stuff I actually created myself, and I gotta get things situated for it, so, you know, it's whatever. Anyways, so until next time, you guys, hope you guys have a great day, and a fun one as well.